when we talk about distribution networks, so how do you think कि like past 10 decades में क्या चीजें थी, अभी क्या है, how do you see in the next 2 decades?
देखिए, पास्ट में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा रोल एडवाइजर का था, आज भी रोल एडवाइजर का है, आगे जाके भी एडवाइजर का रहेगा।
When we talk about the women who want to start a business or new idea, what are the 3 skills आप बताएंगे जो उनके अंदर होनी चाहिए?
One, the empowerment is in your hands.
Yeah.
You should know how to take it.
True.
Second, it is not difficult to balance home and work. It's a myth.
हाँ.
And the third thing, most importantly, is believe in yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Conviction.
think, yes, that conviction is very important. If you know and you believe, it will happen.
Truly, ma'am. If I ask you the one prominent skill, ma'am, that has helped you in your career throughout the journey, so वो क्या होगी?
Honesty and transparency.
Okay. Guys, today we have Mrs. Kamayani Anirudh Nagar, ma'am. So, ma'am, first of all, you give a brief introduction of what exactly you are doing in Aditya Birla Mutual Fund. So then we'll continue.
Acha, okay, good.
Yeah.
So I head the retail sales for Aditya Birla.
Yes, ma'am.
I look after the entire country for all channels of distribution for individual retail customers.
Okay. So, like, ma'am, when we talk about distribution networks, so how do you think like past 10 decades में क्या चीजें थी, अभी क्या है, how do you see in the next 2 decades?
देखिए, पास्ट में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा रोल एडवाइजर का था।
Yeah, ma'am.
आज भी रोल एडवाइजर का है, आगे जाके भी एडवाइजर का रहेगा। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ व्यूज ऑन हाउ डायरेक्ट इज आल्सो हैपनिंग, सो डायरेक्ट इज गोइंग टू पिक अप, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट so for example, people like me,
Yeah.
or people like an average, I would say, middle class kind of a person doesn't have the time to actually go do the research, read,
Yeah.
and do. I would rather give the worry to somebody else and just follow instruction.
Okay.
So I think distributors will continue to hold sway over the overall industry, and that's why I feel distributors play a very, very critical part in how the mutual fund industry overall will grow.
Okay. And ma'am, I just want to ask one more question. How do you keep yourself so much of energetic? Because I can feel the vibe throughout the day. So
So I would say a very, very common question for
Yeah.
me. There are 2-3 things. I am a very positive person.
Yeah.
So that positivity
radiates.
gives me a lot of energy.
Yeah.
And I believe in looking at the good in everybody.
Yeah.
Unless and until you prove otherwise,
Yeah.
you are a wonderful person.
Okay.
So that generally just makes me feel
Okay.
motivated and happy.
Yeah. When you talk about the women who want to start a business or new idea, what are the 3 key parameters or skills आप बताएंगे जो उनके अंदर होनी चाहिए to survive and sustain in the industry and also grow?
If we talk about specifically about the mutual fund
I'm
industry,
talking about generic sense.
generally, see, I think it's a bit of a revolutionary thought,
Yes.
but I think women are the only ones who hold themselves back.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, because there is nothing that you can't achieve. I understand that you have family, you have got to balance out things,
Yeah.
but it is not essential that you should be having a 500 hours kind of a work regime. You can always look for businesses. Like, for example, honestly, if you ask me,
Yes.
the mutual fund industry is a great place for women
Okay.
to come up with entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Because you don't require to do it at a particular time. You are not a trader, so
Yeah.
you don't have to follow market hours. Customers को से बात करनी है, उनसे interact करना है, that you can do as per time which is convenient to you.
Yeah.
So it's a great way. So couple of things. One, the empowerment is in your hands.
Yeah.
You should know how to take it.
True.
Second, it is not difficult to balance home and work. It's a myth.
हाँ.
आपको वो balancing act
And
खुद ही
how do
करना
you
पड़ेगा.
balance, ma'am?
E-commerce, honestly.
Okay.
So all my homework gets done on e-commerce. Hence, I'm able to balance very easily.
Yes,
so
sir.
God bless e-commerce. All right. And the third thing, most importantly, is believe in yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Conviction.
think yes, that conviction is very important. If you know and you believe, it will happen.
Truly, ma'am. And ma'am, when we talk about the lifestyle or something like that, key work-life balance. So do you think it exists?
It all exists. It all exists in the mind. वो balance
It's all
कैसे
the
maintain
priorities.
करना है, क्या करना है, वो सब आपके ऊपर है.
Yes, ma'am.
There are a lot of things going on now where it is said that younger people are coming under pressure,
Yeah.
things like that. See, in life, personal as well as professional, you have to set your own boundaries. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
there has to be a boundary beyond which you will have to say no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that nahi, beyond this I will not work.
True,
Or
ma'am.
beyond this I will not compromise. Now those boundaries you have to set for yourself.
It's subjective thing, ma'am.
Yes, but वो हर जने के लिए अलग होगा.
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am, some people call it challenges and some people treat it as a situation.
Yeah.
So whenever, ma'am, you face something pathetic situations, सो एक कोई ऐसा पैटर्न है या वर्किंग है जिसको आप फॉलो करते हैं इस सिचुएशन को आप डील करते हैं? लाइक कभी कोई चैलेंज में बिगेस्ट चैलेंज क्या था आपका एंड हाउ यू ओवरकम दैट?
I would say, well, there are lots of challenges, but I think one of the biggest ones that I have faced is when I was in an organization and we faced a very stressful situation in terms of, you know, a kind of a run on the bank kind of a thing.
Okay.
So very, very stressful situation. I think in a stress situation or in a challenging situation, as you may call it, I think the first mantra is not to react immediately.
Yeah.
Okay? Because if you react at that point of time, you may not be thinking clearly. All right? So the first thing is that to take a step back and assess the situation
Yeah.
before you react. Once you take a step back and look at the situation from a slightly elevated view, you will be able to see facets which you don't see otherwise when you are in that bit of a hectic phase of mind. So, most important, calm down, take a step back, assess the situation, and then look for solutions. I think that
Okay.
is the best way to approach a challenging situation.
वाओ, इमीडिएटली रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करना।
Bilkul.
Let
That
the
is
time.
where, yes. So if you see all the instances of road rage and all that are coming up nowadays is because people instantly react.
यस मैम।
If you don't do that, you will see a lot of things will start
ओके।
looking up. If you start looking at things from a different perspective, you will see angles which you didn't see before.
यस मैम। एंड मैम यू आर ऑन द पोजीशन यहाँ पे यू नीड सो मेनी ऑफ स्किल सेट्स।
Yes.
बट इफ आई आस्क यू द वन प्रोमिनेंट स्किल मैम that has helped you in your career throughout the journey, so वो क्या होगी?
Honesty and transparency.
Okay.
I believe in being very honest and transparent with my team,
Okay.
with my colleagues,
हाँ.
with myself.
Yes ma'am.
So I think those are the two skills which have always helped me.
Okay. And ma'am, when I talk about the routines, there are so many books, so many चीज़ें रहती है कि morning में you do this, you do that. आपका मैम क्या routine है?
I read.
How many books you read?
Reading a book, I would normally read. Nowadays, I don't get time, but otherwise, once in a month, one book.
Okay.
But otherwise, morning I read the paper
Okay.
and articles from websites that I have
Okay.
subscribed to, mostly related to work.
Okay.
So that is what I do first thing in the morning.
Okay. So like ma'am, we'll bifurcate in two things. First ma'am, जो भी youth audience है, what 3 books you'll recommend to them? And then I'll ask 2 books that every aspiring mutual fund distributor should read. So first, begin with youth.
Okay, for the youth, I think most importantly, you should read, and it depends on whether you want to, whether you are working or not working again, because my books will be mostly work related.
Yeah ma'am.
So
That's perfect.
yes, so you should read. There is a very nice book. I follow Simon Sinek a lot.
Yeah.
He is a very good orator and a
Yeah.
writer. So one book I would definitely ask you to read is Start with Why. Okay, it gives a very good perspective on how you should understand or be clear
Yes.
on the basics
Okay.
before you move forward.
So ma'am, what's your why for this overall existence of your life? मतलब आपका एक main why क्या है? How do
I
you
am
see
here
life?
to. How do I see life?
Yeah.
I see it as a great opportunity to learn.
Okay.
So that is my best
Why?
way to do it.
Wow. Second book ma'am.
Second book, I think one very, very nice one. You should definitely read Steve Jobs
Yeah.
because it gives a very good perspective on the man and the mind.
Yeah ma'am.
Okay, and then the other one I would expect you to read is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari.
Yeah. Jay Shetty. True ma'am. And what books for the MFDs?
MFDs के लिए भी you can use the same ones. They're all related to work.
Yes ma'am.
Because if you go into too much of technicality, MF books, there are some very good books on fund houses.
Okay.
Okay, on how fund house or how a fund house functions. I don't recall the names urgently, but you can find them on Amazon. Some books where you say if you ask for mutual fund, they'll give you a couple of books on how fund houses function and how
Okay.
funds are created.
हाँ.
Those are some very good ones.
मैम when we are talking about like fund houses, so मैम ऐसे कुछ thought process जो conventional ideas हैं सब चीज़ें हैं उन्हें न्यू आइडियाज से अगर अपन रिप्लेस करने की बात करें सो कौन से डोमेन होंगे कि लाइक जैसे लोगों को पुरानी सोच को मैम रिप्लेस अपन कैसे कर सकते हैं? नए क्या आइडियाज़ हैं? फाइनेंशियल इंजीनियरिंग में क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, क्या चीज़ें हैं?
I think there are lot of new things that are coming up now. You have a new product called a special investments fund, which is the SIF,
Yes.
which is coming up now. We are a very regulated industry,
Yes.
so we can't do innovation without SEBI
Yeah.
regulations. But I think the way forward for all of us is to make sure that there are more and more investors who participate.
Yes, sir.
Today we have got only about 6% investors in India participating in equity.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, if we can double this to 12%,
Yes, ma'am.
the entire dynamics of the country will look very different.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think the main goal that all of us, you, me, whether it's a manufacturer, the intermediary or the distributor and the investor, I think the main goal is to increase equity participation.
यस मैम. एंड मैम व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट पार्टिसिपेशन लाइक वुमेन्स का सर मैम अभी भी पार्ट काफ़ी कम है. सो उसके लिए लाइक अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स सब चीज़ें होती, बट स्टिल हाउ आई कैन रीच आउट टू देम एंड उन्हें ये सब चीज़ें कैसे अपन बता सकते हैं कि दे शुड ऑल्सो बी अ पार्ट ऑफ स्टार्टअप बिजनेस and MFD industry as well.
So you will be very happy to know that now we have got 37% women for participating in our workforce.
37%?
Yes, which was 11% at one point of time. I
Okay.
think about 4-5 years back.
Okay.
So I would say women are coming up very quickly, and
Okay.
it is catching up quickly enough.
हाँ.
But I think again I would say the empowerment lies in the hands of the woman.
Yes, ma'am.
So the idea is that they should be able to take that step to be able to go forward and grab the opportunities that they get.
Okay. At last, ma'am, like ma'am, इस क्वेश्चन को आप सोचिएगा पहले
Okay.
कि what will be the crux of your life which you can describe in 2 or 3 lines. No matter who is listening, they'll get a great exposure of idea. आपकी लाइफ में 2-3 लाइन में आप कैसे सम अप करेंगे?
Good question. Very interesting, thought-provoking question. Actually. So I would sum up my life as unlimited adventure and being able to make an impact in somebody else's life.
Wow.
That's it.
True, ma'am. Amazing, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
for
you
giving
so
your
much.
precious